Hi, I'm Andy from Howard Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this great 308 in the active specification. We took this car in part exchange, having originally sold this car from new. It's got a full service history with ourselves as well, but it comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof. There's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. On the touchscreen you've got sat-nav, as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with a 1.6 litre petrol engine. It gives you 125 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's a 2-owner vehicle, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard Persia in Taunton. Thank you.